Okay, so today we're going to unbox the Google Nest Hub. Let's see what's inside.
Yes. Start.
This is a 7-inch second generation
Yes.
of Google Nest Hub. Well, open the box. Let's see what we got here.
Let's open. As you see, it's pretty good.
The screen, the speaker right behind it,
Yes.
the power connector.
Pretty good. It's compatible with many stuff.
And let's see what we have here inside this little head thing.
Pull it out.
The manual. The power adapter.
Which is inside there. Safely secured. You get what I mean?
Okay, I think that's all we have now.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.
And bye.
Stay tuned for more unboxing video.